Oh, guys. Okay, today I'm going to remove this car off this Cat 112 Raider. I'm on Harbor Freight, Bauer, cordless brushless. I'm running a 5 amp hour battery. Uh, I wouldn't recommend any 3 if all you're going to do is lug nuts on your car, but I heavily invested in the Bauer brand batteries a few years ago, so I ain't had this too long. This female will remove these lug nuts on this Raider. I've already penetrating oil. I've got it jacked up. I've got 20-ton hydraulic under it. See what she'll do. Dang, them won't even act like you're very tight. Okay. Dang, it just slipped them right off. It looks like it's going to be a short video here, unless this thing don't want to come on. But I'm going to make another video. This tool right here, this is a tar bead breaker, and we'll see what it does with that wheel. I've already changed that one, well, multiple times, and let me get my camera. Okay, I believe it. There you go. Yeah, see that? It's on. Okay. Okay, she is off. Okay. Okay, these is the, well, I don't know, I call wheel here, or there's a ring about 2-3 inches here. This O-ring here that you take out. So first I'm going to try to break this front bead. Later, well, I'll do this. I'll try to get this all on another video. Let's see. Stop.